Diagonal triangles. It is the impulse formation, but we cannot count this formation to the traditional previously known impulse wave of a five-wave structure because it has some features of the corrective waves. The diagonal triangle formation occurs in some places of the five-wave formation. Like in the case of the impulse waves, no contraction wave. In other words, correction wave does not retract 100% of the action wave, as the wave 3 is the shortest wave. Diagonal wave is the formation where almost always the wave 4 goes beyond the peak of the wave 1. It was observed that in some cases the last wave was the shortened 5. Ending diagonal. Ending diagonal is a special type of the wave which occurs mostly as a wave 5. This happens when the preceding move has moved too fast and too far. You may also notice these formations in a few waves of C belonging to a simple or more complex corrective formation, ABC, which will be further discussed in this course. As you can see, these triangles take the shape of a wedge. The wedge is determined by the two upcoming lines. Each wave of a lower degree of the wedge is divided into three parts, as we observe it in the correction. The wedge going up is the announcement of the bear market. Again, the wedge going down is a prelude to the future dominance of the bulls in the market. We can sum up that elongating of the waves 5, shortening of the 5s, and diagonal triangles occurring as a wave 5 are a signal of the same meaning, radical reverse of the trend. Rarely occur the extending triangles of the same structure as the waves of the lower degree as the narrowing triangle triangles. Leading diagonal. As we marked all the ending triangles occurring in the wave 5, we can now discuss occurring of the similar formation as the wave 1 and A. The starting triangle has a completely different structure than the final triangle, in which all the waves were divided into three. In the lateral initial triangle, waves of a lower degree are divided according to the scheme 5-3, 5-3, 5. It is worth remembering this formation because it can easily be confused with the basic series occurring as a wave first and second. Rarely, however, but we can observe the occurrence of the extended initial triangle. Elliot himself never wrote about initial triangles, but years of observations of the practitioners of the theory of Elliot confirmed that the formation is also present.